Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to a 143 scale video. And today we have this IXO Modelcars, the 1970 Plymouth Barracuda. So this is a very cool looking model from IXO Modelcars. I've opened multiple IXO Modelcars in my previous videos. You can check them out in the 143 scale playlist. You can see all the other stuff I have opened previously. So let's check this guy out. He already, like, in the packaging, it looks amazing. And let's get some of these sticky duct tapes off. So let's remove the top. Well, the rim choice could have been better. I can tell you definitely that. Because, well, it's stock, okay, so, but it looks like it should have been more of a custom look to it. But I'm not going to be picky too much because I don't have this car in the collection. At least I don't think I have. Definitely not in 143 scale, definitely not in 118 scale. Maybe, just maybe, I have it in 164, but I don't recall. Well, maybe in Johnny Lightning? Maybe. I don't know. But no, it's not. We're not here for that. So, yeah, this thing looks awesome already as it is. Let's check out what we need to unscrew this guy from the base to have a closer look. How good this screwdriver is not too big. Yeah, it's perfect. Well, it is slightly too big, but it will do the job. I will be perfectly fine. That's screw number one. And screw number two. We also have this plastic that can remove from the base of the car. So let's remove you. So it comes in this very, very nice red, as you can see. Base is plastic, as they always are. It looks like we're going to have a bit of a rolling issue because it doesn't really want to. Back wheels are slightly a bit more loose than the fronts are. We can slightly adjust that. So now they're a little bit better. Let's try a little bit more if you can. Well, it's just a tiny bit better. It might roll. It might. So you got your lens, the details for the front. Same for the back, looking very, very nice. We got like these hood pins going on here. They're not actually like there, but they're painted on. Very nice details for the base. There's where's the exhaust ends, right underneath the back, before the wheels. Yeah, the rims are stock apparently. I'm not really sure what those rims are based off of, or are they supposed to be like that? And nothing much I can say here. It is a very nice muscle car. Can't really show the interior too much because it's black, so nothing too crazy going on there. So let's have this roll test. Yeah, it does roll. Not perfectly because of the thing that they have is this part here. You can see that it stays put because that's where the disc brakes are. The brake discs and the brake and even the brakes, I believe, also are there. Although these things I think have like drum brakes, but maybe it's just slightly custom. So, in overall, I think this is a very good model. So if you have thought about getting it yourself, I do suggest it because it looks very good in my opinion. So, yep, there you go, guys. Hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe, and I'll see you in focus. No? In the next one. Ciao.